Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of device issues on Bumble app. To know how to fix or how to solve device issues on Bumble app, you should just go to settings. And first you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Bumble. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors. You can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can update your app here in this blue sign as you see to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.